So this is Valentine's Day, winter storm, Memphis, Tennessee. This storm's predicted to drop up to 10 inches of snow across the Mid-South. Right now we're at, if I had to guess, 2 inches, maybe. 2 inches or so. The worst of it's coming down right now and will continue to do so over the course of the next few hours. The storm started coming down early yesterday with a few flurries early morning, but nothing significant until the afternoon where it really started to pile up. This morning I woke up to freezing rain, sleet, which eventually transferred back into snow after being snowy yesterday. And this is what we're going to continue to get over the course of the day and into this evening while this winter storm warning is in effect. The roads, which are normally clear and well traveled, are completely covered. Motorists going a max of 15 to 20 miles an hour on roads that are normally 35 plus. Even city transportation taking it nice and slow. Good finger length of snow. Keep in mind, this is Memphis, Tennessee, where the last time we saw snow this much was a few decades ago, according to some people I was talking to. I briefly spoke to a lady at the store the other day who said that she hadn't seen anything like this. She was a child, and she now has 3 kids. Feels like temps currently are in the very low single digits. This morning we're in the negatives. I can definitely feel it on my face. Probably not the brightest idea to be out here without a face covering, but so be it. I've not seen this little traffic on the street since the pandemic started almost a year ago. Well, for us anyway. Extremely hazardous driving conditions. You can't even see where the sidewalk ends and the road begins. There's a road right here. Without the tire tracks, you would not be able to tell. Those you wondering, being a fit check, I got the name. Columbia, please sponsor me. I actually have 2 Columbia jackets on right now, so I think that actually earns a double sponsorship. Again, no police covering, so I'm a retard. Oh, they actually have parking garage blocked off. There's barriers right here saying don't come up. I don't even know if a vehicle can make it up here because I literally just slid my feet up under the snow just walking. We're standing on the Ned McWhorter Library here on the University of Memphis campus. Time is approximately 11:30 a.m. Snowfall has lightened up significantly, but not before dropping a good 5 or so inches on the ground. My phone is dead, so we are using shitty DSLR footage. Yeah, we just gotta make do sometimes. So right here, there should be a football track. Football field, and a track for running. As you can see, there is no such thing. Today is February 16th, 2021. Time is approximately 1500, 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. This is the 3rd winter storm that we've got in the past week or so. First was an ice storm where we had anywhere from about 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch of ice accumulation. The second was what dropped the bulk of the snow that you are seeing now, which fell over the course of Sunday and Monday. And now this is the 3rd, which started earlier this morning around 6 a.m. and is projected to continue until tomorrow late morning, possibly into the afternoon, with the winter storm warning expiring at 1800 or 6 p.m. Temperature today is much warmer than it was with the original snowfall. During the original snowfall, we hit like maybe 11 or 12 degrees air temperature with the wind chill in the negatives for most of the day. Today it's about anywhere from 10 to 20 degrees warmer than that, and actually this will show you how much snow we've got just over the course of this morning. So it's my vehicle. The snow was clear last night. Looks like we've already got, about to guess, about an inch or so. And it will continue to fall through the evening with the possibility of some sleet, snow mix, and freezing rain, just to add insult to injury for the Mid-South. As y'all can see, I'm dressed a lot lighter than I was the other day. It's, like I said, 10 to 15 degrees warmer, maybe more. Still got 2 Columbia jackets on, still looking for that sponsorship. But I got thin gloves. I'm not wearing my snow pants. Still wearing pants, so don't worry. That's where we're at. So we're gonna get out, drive around a little bit, see what road conditions look like. It looks like a pretty decent covering is already developed. Since yesterday, we did not get any precipitation to think of. It was a tad bit warmer than it was the previous days, but a little bit colder than it was today. However, the sun was out, so some of the surface layer snow melted. But however, when the sun fell, the snow that melted froze back over, creating some not so safe driving conditions, and I almost learned that the hard way. So we're gonna see how roads look now. Memphis sucks at plowing and salting roads, which granted, they haven't had snow like this in decades, but it's still good to be prepared because you never know what might happen. But I don't work for the city, so I don't give a shit. So I'm gonna brush off my car, we're gonna get driving and see how things are looking around town. We're gonna get on the road and see what we're working with. Excuse this awful noise. Never mind, there was no noise because snow. Okay, let's get moving. For those of you wondering, I'm not on winter tires. I'm literally just in my Corolla as it comes, summer tires. So I have to employ the best driving habits I can to make sure I don't hurt myself or other people. So just from initial driving impressions, this freshest layer of snow is a very wet snow, so it hasn't, I didn't struggle at all getting out of the parking lot, turning onto this road, whatever. So hopefully that'll be the case for the rest of the time. Last night I was driving around and there were big patches of black ice where during the day the surface level of snow had melted, refroze once the sun went down, and created some really shitty conditions. And it doesn't help that we're in Memphis, where people will drive in conditions like these without their lights on, will still run red lights, will still turn out in front of you, and that just makes it 10 times worse. And then you have people like this who have no idea where the line is for the light. Can't even approximate, so we're probably not even going to get the damn arrow. Take that back. Ignore that. roads are covered in snow. You gotta be shitting me. How f***ing selfish do you have to be? How f***ing careless do you have to be? Those two buildings you see in the front of you are I-Bank and Clark Tower. The cloud level is almost so low that you can't see the top of Clark Tower. It's visible, but it's definitely faded. Snow's coming down a lot harder now. I don't know how well y'all can see that. I'll roll down my window. Be able to see. These are fat snowflakes. Holy cow.